Click for IB Biology, General Principles of Respiration, Glycolysis, a linear metabolic pathway that results in the production of some ATP and the formation of reduced coenzyme NAD. A PDF of this is present in the description below, along with a quiz where you can test your understanding of this stage in respiration. So that we can visualize the process, I have some pictures down the left-hand side here, and then the usual scientific vocabulary occurs in this column here. What we have is the hexose 6-carbon glucose will be broken down into two molecules of a 3-carbon structure called pyruvate, sometimes called pyruvic acid. So this is 3-carbon, so there would be 2 of those per molecule of hexose. Notice that there are 3 phases in the process: phosphorylation, lysis, and the final stage, oxidation. The end of the process results in pyruvate, the formation of ATP, and of reduced coenzyme NAD. To initiate, first of all, we have the process of phosphorylation. Curiously, phosphates are added to the hexose to form the hexose biphosphate, and this destabilizes the hexose, rendering it more reactive. So the hexose to the biphosphate is for destabilization, making the sugar more reactive. And of course, curiously, we have begun using up ATP to achieve this, so we have a net minus 2 ATP at the moment. Stage 2, as you can see, involves an enzyme splitting the hexose into 2 3-carbon sugar triose phosphates. And this process is called lysis, but as you can see from the diagram, there is no ATP or coenzyme reduction at this stage. Stage 2. Stage 3 is called oxidation, and as per the definition, energy will be released from this triose phosphate in the oxidation, and this should be coupled to the formation of ATP and the reduction of NAD to NADH. The details are here. So here's the triose phosphate. Hydrogens are broken off and we end up with reduced NAD. This indicates the energy is now in the NAD that previously was in the triose. Enough energy is released in this third oxidative stage to bring about the formation of 4-ATP as well. Enzymes are present here to catalyze the formation of ATP. Therefore, if we have produced 4-ATP but used ATP up initially, we have a net gain of 2 ATP per hexose, along with the formation of reduced NAD coenzyme. So the energy which was in the hexose is now in 3 locations: the ATP, the reduced NAD, and of course the pyruvate. The pyruvate will now transfer to the mitochondria via what is called the link reaction, which is the study of our next video. The link to the link reaction is now appearing in the links below, along with subscription buttons and a link back to the playlist so that you can see the other videos in this particular topic.